Income tax for 2024 to 25, unit 5th. I have given you important questions 2, 5, 6, 7, 10, 11, 13, 15, 17, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 29, 34, 35, 36. These numbers are important problems from this H. Prem Raja textbook of income tax 2024 to 25. If you practice for the unit 5, these problems are sufficient for you. So up to 16 problem I have uploaded, and in the last video I have discussed 17, 20 and 22 problem. Now today I am discussing some more important problems. So let's move to problem number 24. I am discussing today problem number 24. So this is 26, 24. Sri Deepak Agarwal purchase a machinery for business purpose whose written down value if at the beginning of the previous year is 17,25,000. During the previous year it is sold to 21,40,000. So in this problem a machinery asset is sold. So for 21,40,000 and selling expenses were 11,200. Calculate capital gain. So this simple problem it has given to us. Sri Deepak Agarwal purchase a machinery for business purpose whose written down value is given to us. So now let's move to the problem. Sri Deepak Agarwal, in this way you have to present the problem. You will get the full marks for that. So note, you have to write asset, business asset, irrespective of period, use or hold, the gain arises should be short term capital gain. So in the problem we have seen that equity shares like that horse property, short term, long term capital gain we have discussed now. But when an asset is given to us, irrespective of the period, use or hold, we should not consider the how many years the asset is used and hold. The gain arises should be capital gain only if it is a business asset. Condition, asset used for the business purpose, depreciable asset है ना वो, and sale during the previous year. So in our problem these conditions are satisfied. Sri Deepak Agarwal purchased it for business purpose, it has given no, and written down value, that means depreciable asset it is, and it is sold in the previous year. All the conditions are satisfied now, so it is a short term capital gain. So how to calculate short term capital gain? Computation of short term capital gain for assessment year 24 to 25. Particulars amount, consideration he sold the asset for 21,40,000. So that only will become our consideration received. Transfer expenses 11,200 it is given in the problem. After deducting the transfer expenses from the consideration received, we will get the net consideration. Now written down value of the machine it has given no, that only we have to deduct. So 17,25,000 we will get short term capital. It's so simple, but you have to listen once and you have to practice a little bit, then you can attempt the problem. If it is in the short problem also you can score 4 marks easily. It's clear no? Once again I will repeat it. इन दिस प्रॉब्लम एसेट, मशीनरी एसेट है ना ये, तो अपने को लॉन्ग टर्म कैपिटल गेन, शॉर्ट टर्म कैपिटल गेन पहचानना रहता, लेकिन बिजनेस का एसेट है कोई भी और वह डेप्रिसिएबल एसेट है, ठीक है, अगर वो जो है सो अपने को उसके लिए पीरियड और कितने ईयर से यूज़ करे वो नहीं देखना रहता. सेल ड्यूरिंग द प्रीवियस ईयर अगर है तो शॉर्ट टर्म कैपिटल गेन के जैसा उसको कैलकुलेट करना रहता. अपने को इंडेक्स नंबर वगैरह कुछ भी नहीं रहता. डायरेक्टली आपको क्या करना है, नोट बोल के लिख देना है पहले, उसके बाद कंप्यूटेशन ऑफ शॉर्ट टर्म कैपिटल गेन असेसमेंट ईयर 24 टू 25. पर्टिकुलर अमाउंट कितने में सोल्ड करे वो एसेट 21,40,000, उसमें से ट्रांसफर एक्सपेंसेस माइनस करे तो आपको नेट कंसिडरेशन आ जाता. ठीक है, रिटर्न डाउन वैल्यू आपको जो भी मशीन की दे दिए वो माइनस कर दिए तो आपको शॉर्ट टर्म कैपिटल गेन आ गया. Now let's check the answer. Problem number 24 we have done no. So 24th answer is 4,03,800. 4,03,800. We got the correct answer.